Hey guys, Essence of Mohana here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I will be giving you a step-by-step tutorial of this color combination in Adobe Illustrator. And with that being said, please click the like button below and I'll see you after the intro. So right here, I'm currently selecting all the objects that I would like to put the main color of the character in. As you can see on the left side of the screen, I already pre-selected my colors because I already played along with the color combinations that I wanted for this creation, and I agreed with the colors on the left. So with that being said, it makes it much easier to get the flow of the artwork going. So at this stage, I'm currently readjusting the stroke weight for each section of the creation, because what I realize is that when I color pick from my circle, the circle also has a stroke weight around it. So it not only copied the color, but it also copied the thickness of the stroke weight. So if you're not familiar with this, maybe you are, please pay attention to that when you do fill your colors in like a shape. So other than that, I'm currently putting a stroke inside the eyes because I wanted to highlight the eyes of the character that I'm doing. So I will go into details in this further along in the video, so please stay tuned. So previously I added the stroke in the eyes because for now I wanted to change the stroke in the eyes from a square look to a round one, and you do this by going to the basic toolbar above, right next to the uniform selection, and then you're going to click the round stroke style. Once you click the round stroke style, I'm currently now going to change the opacity down to a more transparent look because I wanted to keep it glossy, as you could see right here. So this is a 2D type artwork. I am not going the full 3D, but I also would like to add shadows, as I'm doing right now, to certain areas that could bring out the illustration a little bit better. So which I will be doing under the neck and around the nose, and shortly I will do one on the hands and above the ear. So I'm using my pen tool to add some highlights to the clothing because I do believe it gives it some depth, and I did not want it to look flat in comparison to the rest of the art piece. So with that being said, hopefully you stick around for the rest of the video to see how we finish this off. Okay guys, so we're coming up to the end of this tutorial. I hope this step-by-step video was helpful for you all, and if you would like to see more content like this, please give this video a like and subscribe for more. See you again soon. Peace.